Good morning, students of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are in a cheerful mood today. Ready for the English class? Please smile and say, yes ma'am, that will make my day. Students, please, I want a big smile. Happy faces. So, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book and turn to page number 51. Students, I have explained lesson 6, Jack discovers a new land. And today, I'll be explaining the comprehension exercise of this lesson. But students, before we start that, let's revise the word meanings once again. So, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book and all of you turn to page number 51. Jack discovers a new land. Students, the first word meaning of the lesson is castle. Castle means palace. Castle means palace. Palace means महल, in which the king stays. King रहता है ना महल में. So, palace is also known as castle. The second word is, turn the page, the second word is popped. Popped means put something inside. Put something inside. Popped, put something inside. Then the third word is roared. Roared means shouted loudly. In the lesson you have seen how the giant used to roar. So, roared means shouted loudly. The third word is roared, which means shouted loudly. The fourth word is grind. Grind means crush into small pieces. किसी भी चीज को क्रश कर दो small pieces में, तो that is grinding. So grind means crush and crush means break. Break into small pieces. Now, what did the giant wanted to do? He wanted to grind the bones of Jack, make bread and then eat for his breakfast. So, grind means crush into small pieces. Then student, the fifth word is mistaken. Mistaken means to be wrong. Mistaken means to be wrong. गलत समझ लेना. At times it happens, no? So, mistaken means to be wrong. Then, students, the sixth word is ox hide. The sixth word is ox hide. Ox hide means skin of an ox. Ox की skin. Giant मीट खाता था, तो उसने ऑक्स का एक बड़ा पार्ट खाया वहां पे. इन द स्टोरी वी हैव रेड. नो. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द सेवेंथ वर्ड इज वंडर. द सेवेंथ वर्ड इज ऑन पेज नंबर 53. सो द सेवेंथ वर्ड इज वंडर. वंडर मीन्स सरप्राइज. जिस चीज को देख के आप एकदम सरप्राइज हो जाओ. लाइक जैक वाज सरप्राइज टू सी दैट बिग कैसल, that huge lady, giant, so much of money, a little hand which laid golden eggs. So Jack was surprised to see all these things, isn't it? उसने पहले कभी नहीं देखा था. So wonder means surprise. Then students, the eighth word is fetch. Fetch means bring. Fetch means bring. Fetch means bring. Often somebody tells you, go and get me a glass of water, bring me. So what you are doing? You are fetching a glass of water for that person. To bring का मतलब होता है fetch. Then students, the next word, that is the ninth word, is lyre. Lyre is a musical string instrument. एक musical string instrument जिससे बहुत अच्छी beautiful music निकलती है. The giant had a golden lyre which used to produce beautiful songs which no one had ever heard. Then students, The 10th word is crept. Crept means walked quietly. एकदम धीरे धीरे चलना ताकि किसी को पता न चले. So crept means walked quietly. What happens when the thieves come? जब चोर चोरी करने आता है, he often walks very quietly. वो crept करता है हाउस में ताकि nobody should know that he has come for stealing. So crept means walk very quietly. Then student, the 11th word is tiptoed. Again tiptoed means walked very silently, walking without making any noise. And in this lesson, Jack tiptoed on the table because he did not want the giant to know that he was there. So he walked very quietly. Now please turn to page number 54, students. The 12th word is fearful. Fearful means scary, which makes you scared, which makes you frightened. जिसको देख के डर लगे. So fearful means scary. Then the 13th word is screamed. Screamed means shouted loudly. Screamed means shouted loudly. Then the 14th word is spy. Spy means see. Spy means see. देखना. Spy means see. Then students, the 15th word is club. Club क्या? A heavy stick which is thick at one end. एक बहुत heavy stick जो one end. Stick के दो ends होते हैं, है ना? तो एक end उसका जो बहुत thick हो. So a heavy stick which is thick at one end. And then students, the 16th word is dashed. Dashed मतलब ran fast, बहुत तेजी से दौड़ना. The giant dashed after Jack when he saw that Jack was running with all his belongings, his little hen, that golden lyre, his money bag. So the giant dashed after Jack to catch hold of him. So dashed means ran fast. Then the 17th word is chopped. Chopped means cut into small pieces. छोटे छोटे pieces में cut कर देना. Chopped means cut into small pieces. And then the last word is terrible. Terrible means horrible or very bad. बहुत बुरा, बहुत खराब. So these were the word meaning, students. But there are two more phrases we need to know the meanings in this lesson. The first phrase, student, is at the sight of. At the sight of means on seeing someone. हाँ, जब आप किसी को देखो तो at the sight of, on seeing someone. And the second phrase is to catch sight of, to see someone or something. किसी को देखना या किसी चीज को देखना. To catch sight of, to see someone or something. So students, these were the word meanings and the phrases. Now students, exercise A is about writing the story in the correct sequence of events. जो story पढ़ी उसमें हमको कुछ events missing है. We need to fill those events. So before I start explaining this exercise, I would like to read the lesson once again so that you can solve this exercise easily. So please listen to me carefully as I read this. Lesson 6, Jack discovers a new land. Please pay attention. You also move your fingers as I read in the book so that you will also come to know कि आप sequence में next क्या आएगा when we'll be solving exercise A. So please listen to me carefully. Everyone, eyes in your book. Page 51, lesson 6, Jack discovers a new land. And please be attentive. As I read, you please move your fingers in the book so that you know कि मैम क्या read कर रही है. Fine. Lesson 6, Jack discovers a new land. When the beanstalk ended, Jack found himself in front of a great castle with a broad road leading straight up to the front gate. As he drew near the castle, he saw a huge lady standing at the door. Jack was scared at the sight of the lady, but he asked, "Would you please, ma'am, give me some breakfast? I have had nothing to eat since yesterday." The giant's wife was very kind. She said, "Very well, little man, come in. But you must be quick about it. If my husband, the giant, finds you here, he will eat you up, bones and all. Here is a cup of milk and some sandwiches." Suddenly, there was a loud knock at the front door, which seemed to shake even the thick walls of the castle. The giant's wife quickly lifted Jack up and popped him into an empty kettle. When her husband roared out, "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of a young one. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread." "It's a boy, I'm sure it is," he continued. "Where is he? I'll have him for my breakfast." "Nonsense," said his wife. "You must be mistaken. It's the ox hide you smell." Thus the giant sat down and ate a greater part of the ox. When he had finished, he said, "Wife, bring me my money bags." His wife brought him 2 bags of gold, and the giant began to count his money. Jack watched in wonder at all that was happening. The giant then asked his wife to fetch his little hen, which laid golden eggs. The hen laid 20 golden eggs. After the giant had put the eggs into a basket, he called out, "Wife, bring me the golden lyre." His wife brought the golden lyre and placed it on the table. "Sing," said the giant. And the lyre at once began to sing the most beautiful songs that ever were heard. It sang so sweetly that the giant soon fell fast asleep. Seeing that the giant was fast asleep, Jack crept quietly out of the kettle and tiptoed to the table. He gathered the money bags and the little hen. He put them into a large bag, and just as he lifted the golden lyre, the hen called out, "Master, master." The giant woke up just in time to catch sight of Jack running out of the kitchen door with his money in hand. With a fearful roar, he screamed, "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I spy a country bum. He is alive, but will soon be dead when I grind his bones to make my bread." He grabbed his club and dashed after Jack, who was already halfway down the beanstalk. The giant began to climb down too, but as soon as Jack saw him coming, he called out, "Mother, bring me an axe." Jack had no sooner reached the ground when he chopped the beanstalk. Down came the giant with a terrible crash, and that was the end of him. With the bags of gold and little hen, Jack and his mother helped the entire village. All the villagers blessed them and lived happily ever after. So students, this was the story of lesson 6, Jack discovers a new land. Now students, everybody please turn to page number 55 and write the date on top. Please write the date on top. We will be solving this exercise in the book right now. आपको पूरी स्टोरी पता है, अब हमें प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस करना है. प्लीज राइट द डेट, दैट इज 11 July 2020 on the left hand side corner of the book with the pencil. Have you all written? Please write it neatly. Write very neatly. ऐसा नहीं कि 11 is very small, 07 is big. No, all the letters should be of equal size. बेटा आपके सारे letters equal size के होने चाहिए. And please write in a straight line. ऐसा नहीं कि draw a slant line and start writing. Try to write on a straight line. Fine. Now, exercise A. Complete the following sequence of events. The first one has been done for you. बेटा first वाला book में already solved है. But I'll read and explain and then I'll start with the second one. The first one is, please everyone look in the pink boxes. सब बेटा pink box में आइए. All of you can see this. And for solving this exercise, students, you all need to have the new edition of Wordsworth English Reader book. The old book does not have these exercises. So please purchase the new edition of Wordsworth English Reader book so that you solve with me. Beta, first में what is written? Jack's mother threw the seeds outside. What happened beta? हमने lesson 5 में पढ़ा था. Jack had exchanged his cow for a handful of magic beans. And when he returned home, his mother was waiting that Jack तो money लेके आएगा. But Jack, he didn't bring any money. Rather, he just brought a handful of magic beans. So, his mother got very furious. Now, furious means very angry. And out of anger, she threw those magic beans out of the window. Window के बाहर Jack की mother ने वो magic beans को फेंक दिया था. Now, what happened? That day, Jack and his mother had to sleep hungry. क्योंकि there was nothing to eat at home. So, and in the morning, when Jack woke up, he found his room dark, that though the sun was shining brightly outside, but how come his room was dark? So he went to look from the window. And what did he see? He saw, now look in the book, in the pink box में बेटा जो center में वो देखिए, a giant beanstalk grew outside Jack's window. कि जैक के विंडो के बाहर एक giant means very big beanstalk जैक के विंडो के बाहर grow कर गया है. Just imagine overnight that beanstalk had grown so huge. Now his mother told him to chop the beanstalk. They'll be using it as firewood. But what did Jack do? Did he cut? No, he did not cut the beanstalk. He was curious because he wanted to know कि ये giant beanstalk जाता कहाँ पे है. So what did he do? He climbed up on the beanstalk and started climbing and climbing till the beanstalk ended. And where the beanstalk ended, what did he see? He saw a big castle. Jack ने एक बड़ा सा castle देखा है. ये तो first का था. Now the second one. The second one says, the giant finished breakfast. Giant ने breakfast में क्या खाया था? किसी को याद है story? Anyone remembers? He had eaten a big part of the ox hide for his breakfast. तो the giant, second में यहाँ पे देखिए, आप green box में, the giant finished breakfast. Then, what did he tell his wife? That he told her to bring his money bags. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? He called for the money bags. जाइंट ने अपनी वाइफ से बेटा क्या मंगवाए? मनी बैग. अब थर्ड वाला जो ग्रीन कॉलम है बेटा, दैट इज ब्लैंक, और उस कॉलम को हमें फिल करना है. सो आफ्टर आस्किंग फॉर द मनी बैग्स, व्हाट डिड द जाइंट do? What did the giant do? Now, all of you please write in the last column of the green box. He began. Start writing. There are 3 lines. He began to. या first line में लिखेंगे. He began to. Write this on the first line. Count his money. Beta, there are 3 lines given in the book. Please write on the first line, on the second line, on the third line. He called for the money bags. Giant ने अपने money bags call किए. His wife brought the money bags, and after that, what did the giant do? He began to count his money. जो भी money उस bag में था, he started counting that. तो बेटा इसका बहुत नीटली, देयर आर 3 लाइन्स गिवन इन दिस सेकेंड वन के लास्ट बॉक्स में बेटा. सो प्लीज राइट नीटली. ही BEGAN began to count his money. बेटा बहुत नीटली अच्छी राइटिंग में लिखिए. इट शुड लुक वेरी नीट. नाउ यू आर इन क्लास 3. You should know how to write neatly. So he began to count his money. And please practice writing in your free time so that you improve your handwriting. So the giant called for the money bags, and then what did he do? I hope all of you have written. He began to count his money. He began to count his money. Written. All of you, please write. Write fast. He began to count his money. Now, finished. Should I erase this? I hope all of you have written. He began to count his money. Now, students, the third one. Now, the third one. Third one. Now, we have got the first blank in the third one. उसके बाद का 2 लिखा है. Dash. उसके बाद क्या लिखा है? It laid 20 golden eggs. और लास्ट में क्या लिखा है? The giant put them in a basket. हमने कहाँ खत्म किया था सेकंड में? He began to count his money. After counting his money, what did the giant ask his wife to do? अब ये हमको लिखना है. He had asked his wife to bring what? To bring his little hen, which laid 20 golden eggs. So we are going to write the giant on the first line. Please write the giant asked his wife. This you start writing on the second line. His wife to fetch his little hen. बेटा इसको फर्स्ट लाइन में लिखना. आपकी जो लाइन्स दी हुई है बुक में, टेक्स्ट बुक में, सेकेंड लाइन, एंड दिस इज द थर्ड लाइन. द जाइंट. एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जाइंट हैज गॉट आई पहले आएगा. ऑफन हैव सीन यू, आप लोग GAI करते हैं. दैट्स नॉट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जाइंट इज GIANT. बेटा जाइंट के स्पेलिंग में पहले आई आएगा. फर्स्ट आई विल कम, then A will come. And often I have seen children writing GAINT. Please don't do that. Giant spelling has got I. GIANT. Giant. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little hen. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little lamb. What do you mean by to fetch? To bring. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little hand. Please write the spelling of fetches. F-E-T-C-H. F-E-T-C-H. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little hand. Giant ने अपनी वाइफ से बेटा क्या मंगवाया? His little hen. What did the hen do? The hen laid 20 golden eggs. And where did the giant keep those eggs? In a basket. It kept the eggs in a basket. I hope all of you have written. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little hen. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little hen. Done? Now, the fourth one. I hope all of you have done. Please check the spelling of giant. It is G-I-A-N-T, giant, not G-A-I. It is G-I-A-N-T, giant. The giant asked his wife to fetch his little hen. And please ensure that you write in a neat handwriting, straight line. Now the fourth one. Then his wife brought the golden lion. बेटा eggs basket में रखने के बाद उस giant की wife क्या लेके आई? Golden lion. And what did the lion do? Lion ने क्या किया? The giant ने उसको order किया sing. तो lion ने क्या किया? Now we need to write this. Start writing in the fourth में जो blank column है उसमें. The lion, N-Y-R-E, lion began to sing the most beautiful song. What did the lion started when the giant ordered him to sing? Please write this in the first line. The lion began to sing the most beautiful song. What is the spelling of beautiful? B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Fine. The lion began to sing the most beautiful songs. After that, full stop. First line, please write. The lion, spelling of lion is L-Y-R-E. Lion began, B-E-G-A-N, began to, T-O-2, S-I-N-G, sing, the, T-H-E-D, most, M-O-S-T, most, beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful songs. Done? All of you have done? Please write. Beta first line में आप लिखिए the lion began. Second line, please write to sing the most beautiful songs. To sing the most in the second line and in the third line, beautiful songs. The spelling of beautiful, please write correctly. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. So, the lion began to sing the most beautiful songs. Done? Please check your spellings. Okay. I hope everybody has checked. Fine, done. Once again, the lion began to sing the most beautiful songs. Beautiful की spelling बेटा check कीजिए. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Okay. Done. Now the fifth one. The last one. And what happened? After the lion, it began to sing the song. What happened? The giant fell fast asleep. Giant ने जब इतने beautiful songs किए तो giant को क्या हो गया? नींद आ गई. He fell fast asleep. Now, who was there in the kettle watching all the things in surprise? हाँ, कौन था kettle में? Jack. So he had never seen. So he came quietly out of the kettle onto the table. And what did he do? Jack, fifth one. Jack took all the three things with him in a bag. Jack अपने साथ उसने अपने साथ बैग में क्या क्या रखा? Three things. क्या three things क्या था बेटा? The two money bags, the little hen which laid golden egg, and the golden liar. 3 things थे. The first one was money bags with gold coins, है ना? Second was the little hen which laid golden eggs, and the third was the golden liar which played the most beautiful songs. So जैक ने ये तीनों अपने बैग में रखे, and then he ran quickly from the kitchen door. And that time who shouted, "Master, master"? The hen called out the giant, and the giant woke up just in time. And what did he see? He saw that Jack was running with his things from the kitchen door. और वो 3 things क्या थे बेटा? The money bags, the little hen which laid golden eggs, and the golden liar. And the giant chased him with a club. Giant ने अपना club, वो डंडा जो heavy stick with which is thick at one end, वो club उठाया, and he chased. Jack के पीछे भागा. Chase करना उसका पीछा करना. And he chased Jack. Now we need to write. What did Jack do? जैसे ही giant पीछे भागा, Jack ने क्या किया? Jack chopped. Chopped means to cut into small pieces. Chopped the beanstalk as he reached the ground. Jack chopped the beanstalk as he reached the ground. What happened after that? The giant fell down. What happened after that? And died. Giant fell down from that height and he died. What did Jack do the moment he reached the ground? Jack chopped the beanstalk. As he reached the ground, the giant fell down and died. जैसे ही जायंट ने जैक का पीछा किया, और जब तक जायंट भागता, जैक तो बीनस्टॉक के आधे रास्ते पे आ गया था. फिर जैक ने देखा कि जायंट was chasing him. What did Jack do? He told his mother to bring an egg. And the moment Jack came to the ground, उसने egg से क्या किया? बीनस्टॉक को काट दिया. And the moment the beanstalk was cut, the giant fell down from a height with a terrible crash. बहुत जोर से धड़ाम से गिरा. धड़ाम को terrible crash बोला. And कोई इतने height से गिरेगा तो बचेगा ही नहीं. And the giant died. So you write in the first line, Jack chopped the beanstalk as he reached the ground. Reach मतलब पहुंचना. Ground मतलब जमीन पे. So Jack chopped means to cut into small pieces. So Jack chopped the beanstalk as he reached the ground, and the giant fell down and died. Jack chopped the beanstalk as he reached the ground. The giant fell down and died. Hope students, all of you have completed exercise A given on page number 55. Please complete it. This exercise, you just have to do it in your textbooks. No need to write in your English notebook. But please ensure you have written this in a neat handwriting. Okay. That's all for today, students. Please revise the taught exercises and word meanings. Thank you, students. Good day ahead.